So guys, a month ago it was Paris, 2 weeks ago it was Berlin, and this time around it's Portugal. So I'm heading off to Portugal for a week. I'm actually joined by one of my best friends, Georgia. So she's coming along. She decided to come last minute. So she's there for 4 days, and then I got 3 days to myself to deal with like boring stuff, accounting, a lot of affiliate marketing stuff. So yeah, let's get into it.
When can we meet? Cause baby, I've been trying to. You on the move, let's move to find some time to. You know I love the view from right behind.
So guys, just got to the hotel. This is it when you walk in. Pretty cool little spot. Cool little bath here. Don't think I'm gonna use it, but hey ho. That's kind of like the bathroom area. Cool little rainforest shower through here. Bathroom right in there. Now cool little desk, space to work. I know I'll definitely be using this. Oh god. Wardrobe stuff through here. Now we are in a place called, what's the place called? Funchal in Madeira, which is like a little island. So that's the view out into the sea. And here is Georgia.
Hey guys! What's up?
Now, Georgia, you want to explain to them what you're
Okay,
doing?
so basically, I'm a fashion blogger, and you know how it's Valentine's Day? Well, these companies love to treat me. So Daniel Wellington have sent me a watch, and look at those flowers. I literally can't even, like, so beautiful.
Who needs a boyfriend when you have a Daniel,
Exactly,
when you have
I
Daniel
don't
Wellington?
need any man. Oh my god, I can't see. Morning sunshine.
Wakey wakey. Sleep well, bud? You gonna leave me hanging? So guys, day 2 out here in Portugal. We didn't actually vlog yesterday. Just wanted to chill, explore, relax, see the surrounding area. Now it's day 2 and what are you doing there?
Making games.
Making games? Hit him with a bicep flex?
Stop
do it. Do it.
They're not very big. I've just woken up, give me a break.
What, are you feeling flat?
I'm tired.
So, Georgia just woke up. I was just chilling in the lobby, getting some work done. I am off to the gym. Gonna hit a back workout. And are you training?
I might, I'm very indecisive.
Yeah, so Georgia is actually training for marathon right now.
Yeah.
So that's why she's looking a bit flat.
Skinny, lanky.
Bit flat. Alright, so we're finally at the hotel. She's finally glammed up. You look over 18 now, which is nice. So we're going on a little adventure. I think there's like a cable car somewhere over there, which we're gonna check out. Today's also meant to be like the festival, right?
Yeah, why it's not happening?
Yeah, I'm not really seeing a festival, but... So guys, we just found this church. This place is incredible. Jesus. Look at that. Spenny, what do you think? Is that my throne? What? What? If I was a king, would you like be a disciple?
Disciple? Are you joking?
See me when it rains. Girl, I want your body. Girl, I want your pain. See me out at night. Never in the...
Alright, so that church was amazing, but I love like when like literally hers and mine are both out.
Like?
Whew. Yeah, so the church was amazing, but then they didn't really kick us out.
They kicked us out.
I think they like pretended to close because we were.
Yeah, we're closing. Churches don't close.
Isn't it? It's like 12.
Churches definitely don't close. But anyway,
Oh, well.
we won't take it personal.
You got us out.
I drive too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast for me. People say I drive too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast for me. Living at the speed of light, like a bullet. I could be there by the morning. I can't call it, so I ain't got no time to wait. Up and down and out for too long, and I ain't got too many upsides. Drive too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast for me. People say I drive too fast, move
So guys, we managed to do a complete like 360 and not even realize it. So now we're back at the hotel doing an outfit change. There's gonna be like 2 outfit changes today, right?
Yeah, or 3.
Or 3, depending. Gotta seize the moment, utilize this this opportunity to fill up with gram pics. Alright, let's do this. So at lunch now, want to explain what happened to your camera?
I'm quite emotional about this, so if I start crying, don't blame me. Basically, my camera had like a speck of dust inside the lens, and as it's like a G7X, it's a mounted lens, which means I can't get it off. So I decided to watch a YouTube video and do like DIY. So basically I broke my camera essentially. Like I tried to take the lens off and it all went a bit wrong, and then the screws fell out, and oh, basically I can't vlog anymore. It's really sad.
Alright guys, so Georgia and I are both like, we hit a wall. We hit the wall. Both tired as hell.
We walked really far.
Turns out we didn't.
We walked really far.
So yeah, right now we're just gonna go get some coffee, leave the cable car for tomorrow. And then you have to run, how long do you have to run tomorrow? Like 14 miles?
14 miles. Which is like 21 kilometers. Pray for me.
Losing the gains.
Oh my god, those vans are sick. Look at those checker print ones. Yeah, oh my god, I want.
Where should we go?
I need. Yeah.
Let's do it.
Wait, is it closed? Oh my god, it's closed.
So Georgia has been vlogging with her iPhone, but she's been like flipping the camera. Have you been doing it?
Yeah, I did. I flipped it.
Yeah, so just like, so she uses the back camera rather than the front camera and still records 4K, and it looks really good.
Yeah, like it does look quite good, but
like,
it's just annoying not being able to see yourself.
Yeah, in all,
actually, yeah, you can't see yourself.
in all fairness, I can't see myself.
Right, you have your filter.
I just kind of have to like rely on the A7R3 being reliable, which most of the time it is. I'm like really happy with this camera.
Also, guys, just want your opinion. Do you think Iman and I should get matching tattoos?
By the time this is up, we'll be gone.
Oh, fuck.
And, okay, next trip. Yeah, next trip. Next trip, should we get matching tattoos? What would you even want?
I don't even know. Something sick.
Yeah, I mean, I'm happy with like, okay, let's swap. Okay, no, I'm hooked in. I'm happy with my other tattoo, the one here.
My cup runneth over.
My cup runneth over. Yeah, I can't really think of anything else.
I want a rose.
Why do you want a rose?
Because I like roses.
That's
and
like
they resemble
that's like
life.
That's so. One time I was at a party and this girl, she's like, oh yeah, I was at like my tattoo was new, and she's like, oh, I have a tattoo. I'm like, okay, cool, show me. So she pulls it out. She's like, no, it's on my foot. I'm like, okay, whatever, just like, just show me. And it was blue, B-L-U-E. And I'm like, okay, does that like stand for something? And she's like, oh no, it's just my favorite color.
No, see, that's different to mine.
And it was blue.
Actually, like,
the worst part was blue was in blue.
It was
just
in
capital,
blue?
yeah, so it was just in blue ink, and it was just like B-L-U-E.
Okay, well that's awful. But a rose like that, they're actually pretty.
Plus you're British, isn't like
British rose, an English rose. But I look Scandi.
Yeah, you do look pretty Scandinavian. So guys, gonna end off the day here. Gonna go get some food with Georgia. You won your Canada Goose in Portugal.
I'm cold.
Okay. Alright guys, so yeah, we're both like about to pass the fuck out, so we're gonna eat some food, then get into bed for like 10 o'clock like old people. I'm gonna leave you guys with like maybe a little bit of an edit. Not gonna take the fluffy thing walking around with this a bit of a pain in the ass, but yeah, I think the carnival's going on. Like, we're not entirely sure whether it was yesterday or today or when it is, but yeah, I'll leave you guys with probably a bit of a cinematic. If not, I'll see you in the next part. So guys, hope you enjoyed this vlog. There was so much content in this damn thing, like between like the drone footage and like the cinematic clips and stuff like that. Literally I had to combine like day 2, 3, 4, 5 day like edits and cinematics into this video because like there's literally just so much content. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, more cinematic style, back to like my little roots. It is actually Valentine's Day at the time of recording this. Georgia went back to London because she had some stuff she had to tend to, so she flew back yesterday. So yeah, I'm all alone all Valentine's Day. My girlfriend's actually back in London. She couldn't make it to this trip, which is why Georgia came. So yeah, didn't get up to much for Valentine's Day, just did some work. Actually just came back from a facial, which is my first time ever getting that. Basically they just probed up my face for 75 minutes, so now it's like super red. Nice to get like a tan. I've actually like tanned out here. I don't know how well that comes across, but like yeah, I've actually tanned out here, which is nice. Weather out here, it was really good, considering it's early February. If there's one message I want to leave you guys with, it's this, and that is, it's possible. But like, you've heard this a million times, but like actually it's possible. Like, little secret, it's actually possible. Guys, I know you see it all the time online. You guys get inundated with it all the time, like laptop lifestyle, make money online, this, that, all these financial vehicles and stuff like that. But like, it's actually possible if you just listen to the people who aren't bullshitting you, right? And I'll be honest, most people are bullshitting you, and most people are full of shit. But there's still a good chunk of people that are just like great sources of information. So very simple: find people who have actually done it, follow their footsteps at any cost. Right? However much time or money you need to invest, just follow their footsteps, which, by the way, which is exactly what I did. And then just go out and take the action, and just realize that like, one of the funny things is, I think every single day something doesn't happen, we feel as though it's a failure. I was watching a video with Chris Record the other day, and he had an interview with a guy, and basically he said the thing. You know, like every single day, like for example, you're in the gym and you don't see a six-pack. You think you're failing at getting a six-pack, when in reality you're just one step closer. You're not failing at it. You just haven't, like, it just hasn't come into fruition yet. So it's the same thing with like your businesses or your financial vehicles. You're not failing at it. It just hasn't come into fruition yet. And guys, when it comes into fruition, you can do whatever the fuck you want. You know, like, you can stay wherever you want. You know, I'm in Portugal now. I'm going to Tenerife in like 2.5 weeks. And then a month after that, I'm going to Greece. And then I'm going to Tenerife in like 20 days for another like bomb-ass holiday. And then I'm going to Amsterdam the day I get back. I'm going to Amsterdam. And then 3 weeks after that, I'm taking my mom to Greece for her birthday. And then a month after that, I'm traveling. So like, you live wherever you want, right? I have a dope crib back in London, but I can travel whenever I want, right? And I've set up my businesses accordingly, right? Travel whatever you want. Like, work whenever you want, right? Respond to whoever you want, right? And that's literally the beautiful thing about like when you pick a financial vehicle and you just stay with it, right? And you just listen to people who are like, who've actually walked it and have actually done it. And it's possible. Like, I think one of the videos I uploaded like last week was a video of me, a throwback of me, one of my old personal brand like vlogs, and you literally see a year ago, like last February 2017, I'm just such a regular kid. I mean, I've never been a regular kid because I've had like this vision in mind since I was I can't even remember how old. Like no doubt. There was never a doubt in my mind that this was gonna happen. Never, ever. But point is, I had the vision of just a young dreamer, but like I was living a regular kid's life, and you can literally see that. So hopefully, look, everyone says this, but like if I can do it, I really don't see a reason why you can't. A high school dropout with no rich parents, no connections, just vision, just a vision and a belief and a knowing that it was gonna happen. So that's what I'll leave you guys with, and yeah, I'll see you in the next see you in the next video, guys.